Technology is evolving faster than ever. In today's video, we're diving into 12 groundbreaking gadgets that will keep you ahead of the curve in 2026 and beyond. From AI-powered homes to futuristic wearables, let's explore what you should own next. So, what does the future actually look like? We see it in movies, gleaming cityscapes, autonomous vehicles, homes that anticipate our needs. But the line between fiction and reality is getting blurrier every day. Alright, kicking off our list at number 12. Imagine a television so impossibly thin, it looks like a pane of glass fused to your wall. That's the promise of the LG G5 OLED TV. We've seen gallery designs before, but this takes it further. Practically no bezels, and artwork so realistic you'd swear it's a print. Turn it on and OLED magic happens. Perfect inky blacks and contrast that makes every scene pop with incredible depth and vibrancy. Future-proofing starts with modularity, support for new connection modules, and even processor enhancements down the line. An AI-overhauled interface upscales 1080p, even 720p, to look shockingly crisp on 4K or 8K panels. Why future-proof? Cinematic longevity of OLED and LG's software commitment. You're not just buying a screen, you're investing in an evolving entertainment platform. You can have the most beautiful picture, but without immersive audio, you're only getting half the experience. Enter number 11, the Marshall Heston 120 Dolby Atmos. Soundbar, classic Marshall design, futuristic sound tech. Dedicated up-firing drivers bounce sound off your ceiling to create real height. When a helicopter flies overhead, you feel it above you. Built-in mics map your room. Size, furniture, materials, then fine-tune output for a precise sweet spot and crystal-clear dialogue. Object-based audio like Dolby Atmos and DTS-X lets sounds exist in 3D space, and Heston 120 decodes it flawlessly. With ongoing firmware updates, as streaming and games evolve, your soundbar evolves too, keeping your theater cutting edge for years. At number 10, the SwitchBot K20 Plus Pro. True autonomous cleaning freedom with a modular system for almost any task. Snap on a scrubbing module for dried kitchen stains or a UV module to sanitize as it cleans. LiDAR plus AI builds hyper-accurate maps, gliding around furniture and cables without getting stuck. Create automations, quiet mornings, deep kitchen mops after dinner, quick sweeps when you leave. Self-emptying, self-cleaning, self-refilling dock keeps interaction minimal. With modular add-ons and OTA updates, navigation and cleaning strategies keep getting smarter. You're buying a learning platform. Number 9, the Netgear Orbi 870 Y7 Mesh. Blazing fast, consistent, whole home internet that feels instantaneous. Y7 brings wider 320 MHz channels and multi-link operation, so devices use multiple bands at once, like a multi-lane superhighway for your data. A dedicated multi-gig backhaul lets satellites talk to the main router at incredible speeds, delivering max throughput across the house. Ultra-low latency for gaming, better calls for remote work, and downloads that feel instant. The number of connected devices is about to explode. 8K TVs, AR/VR, dozens of sensors, AI appliances. Orbi 870's massive throughput, an IoT-ready design future-proof your home network for the rest of the decade. Coming in at number 8, a laptop whose screen physically expands on command. Portable at 13 inches, then grows into a taller canvas for serious multitasking. See more lines of code, more paragraphs, or run a web page and notes side by side without feeling cramped. It pairs the display with real laptop power and a motorized mechanism designed for durability over thousands of cycles. Future-proof because it pioneers dynamic screens that adapt to your tasks. No foldable compromises. Large when you need it, compact when you don't. A bold step forward for mobile productivity. At number 7, we shrink wearables to your finger. The Circular Ring 2, a sophisticated health tool disguised as jewelry. Its standout feature, medical-grade ECG for on-demand heart readings that can help detect irregularities like atrial fibrillation. Beyond ECG, it tracks heart rate, HRV, blood oxygen, temperature, and detailed sleep cycles. REM, deep, light. Software turns data into insights, sleep and readiness scores that reflect your activity, diet, and rest. Future-proof because health tech is moving toward non-invasive, continuous, discrete monitoring. And as integrations grow, optimizing sleep environments and training plans, its value increases over time. Number 6. The EcoVax D-Bot X11 Omni-Cyclone. Raw suction power and all-in-one intelligence. Pressurized, rotating mop scrub tile, and it lifts mop pads when it hits carpet. AI mapping goes beyond avoidance. It identifies mess types and adapts, boosting suction or doing a second mop pass. The station empties, washes, dries, and refills. Maintenance boils down to occasional bag and tank changes. Software updates improve recognition and prediction over time. A proactive system that manages cleanliness with minimal intervention. Cracking our top 5. The second-generation Apple Vision Pro, refining spatial computing for a wider audience. The Hook is a mixed reality experience that blends your digital world with your physical surroundings for work, communication, and entertainment. Higher resolution micro-OLED displays make pixels invisible, rendering text razor-sharp and virtual objects lifelike. Next-gen R-Series and M-Series chips power complex spatial apps with lower latency pass-through that feels natural. The Vision OS ecosystem is maturing, moving beyond floating windows to truly native spatial apps. By 2026, developer support makes Vision Pro 2 a must-own gateway to the next major computing platform. At number 4, we leap from digital assistants to physical ones. The Tesla Optimus Mini, an early home assistant robot. Imagine it picking up toys, carrying groceries to the kitchen, and watering plants, offloading mundane tasks. Human-like hands and an AI brain let it understand unstructured environments, see a cup, know what it is, and lift it without spilling. You'll interact in natural language. Hey Optimus, grab that book. And it identifies, plans, and executes. Future-proof because every robot learns as part of a fleet. Capabilities improve exponentially via software. Owning an early Optimus is like owning an Apple I, an early stake in life-changing personal robotics. Number 3. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. Pocketable phone that unfolds into a gorgeous tablet, without early adopter compromises. A durable hinge, gapless fold, and practically invisible crease. Engineering matured. The cover screen feels like a full flagship phone. Unfold for next-level multitasking. Watch, take notes, reply messages simultaneously. Stylus ready. With apps optimized for large foldable screens, the software ecosystem finally matches the hardware. This is the moment foldables graduate to mainstream powerhouse. One device replaces phone and tablet. Our runner-up lets you experience the world from a breathtaking perspective, the feeling of flight. An ultra-wide view with low-latency 04 transmission gives a crystal-clear feed that responds instantly. A larger sensor and enhanced Rocksteady 3.0 capture smooth 4K even during aggressive maneuvers. Improved obstacle avoidance and robust turtle mode make FPV accessible beyond experts. It's a future-proof creative tool, where immersion meets content creation. With new intelligent flight modes and a thriving community, Avatar 2 Pro keeps getting better. And finally, number 1. Not a phone or a robot, but the system that powers everything. The Anker Solix Home Energy System. The Hook is home energy independence. Clean solar in, reliable power out. Start with one battery for essentials in an outage, then scale to power your whole home for days. Smart load management lets you prioritize essentials. Keep the fridge and Wi-Fi on while less critical devices wait. The system decides when to use solar, when to draw from the battery, and when to use the grid, always optimizing for cost and carbon. Energy is foundational. Homes grow more electric. EVs rise, outages happen. Solix adds control, resilience, savings, and sustainability. It's an investment in independent, secure living for tomorrow. The future of tech is not coming, it's already here. These 12 gadgets are more than just devices. They're investments in the lifestyle of tomorrow. Don't get left behind. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. These 12 gadgets are signposts pointing toward the lifestyle of tomorrow.